In Igbo culture, character is everything. A person without good character, ezi agwa, can destroy relationships, families, and even communities. That is why our ancestors used proverbs, ilu, to warn and correct. Here are some Igbo proverbs that warn against bad character. Agwa ntị ma ọ nụghị, egbupụ isi, ntị esoro ya. When the ear is warned but it refuses to listen, when the head is cut off, the ear follows it. Meaning, when a person is warned of an upcoming danger and he ignores it, the danger will eventually consume him. Isi kote ebu, ebu agba ya. Isi kote ebu, ebu agba ya. He who invites a wasp will be bitten by it. Meaning, when you knowingly invite trouble, be ready for its pains. Ụkpala okpoko gburu, ntị chiri ya. Ụkpala okpoko gburu, ntị chiri ya. The grasshopper killed by okpoko bird must be deaf. A known danger should not kill a person. Onye kpara nkụ ahụhụ si ngwere pụkwute ya ọrịrị. The person who fetched ant-infested firewood invites lizards to visit him. Meaning, it is better to avoid temptation than to plunge into it. Ọkụkọ ntị ike na-anụ ihe n'ite ofe agadi nwanyị. A stubborn chicken obeys inside an old woman's soup pot. Meaning, disobedience leads to punishment. Igbo proverbs are not insults. They are wisdom. They are correction. They are protection. Do you know any Igbo proverb that warns against bad character? Drop it in the comments.